The performance management system facilitates the online appraisal process with alerts, reminders, and dashboards. It helps you to complete the qualitative reviews and generate the appraisal report. Now, to begin with PMS, we need to first set the appraisal period master. Qube offers you total flexibility to choose your appraisal period, whether from Jan to December or April to March or any other. You just need to select the from date and to date and save the period. Once we have set the appraisal period, now we need to set the appraisal weightages. For every level and grade in your organization, you can set the criteria as to how much weightage to be given to KRA assessment and how much weightage to be given to the behavioral assessment. You can put the maximum marks for KRA and for BC and click on Add to add the weightages. In case you are not doing behavioral assessment, in that case, you need to choose the KRA assessment weightage as 100%. Whatever combination you choose, the sum of the two, that is KRA plus behavioral, should be equal to 100. Once we have set the appraisal period and the appraisal weightage master, here we will assign individual weightages to each competency based on their importance or priority, so that the sum of all the competencies is equal to 100. Once you have set the behavioral competency weightage, we would now move ahead to set the KRAs. To set the KRAs, you select the business group, company, department, the employee, select the appraisal period and click on the Add button. For the selected appraisal period, you have to set the KRAs employee-wise. For the selected employee, you need to first choose the appraiser who's going to appraise him, and then click on the Add button to set the KRAs, the measures, the targets, unit, and put the weightages for each KRAs. Let us show you by an example. Once you have filled up the KRA form and distributed the weightages, the sum of all the weightages should be equal to 100. You scroll down to save the form. Now we move on to the PMS review. Let's see how we can conduct a review. Every manager will have two grids on the PMS review menu page. The first grid is for the self-review purpose and the lower grid is for the appraisees for whom he or she is the appraiser. Now, to enter the review comments, you need to click on the icon which is given at the extreme right. Double click on the icon to enter the review comments. For doing the PMS review for oneself, you need to add the actuals that you have achieved against the target given for each KRA, put your self comments and save the form. Once you save, your appraiser will get a mail intimation and then he or she can log in to review. In a similar way, you can conduct the reviews for all the appraisees for whom you are the appraiser. An appraiser can start the review only when the employee or the appraisee has completed their self-review. So when you log in as an appraiser, you can put in your rating, put the appraisal remark, you can click on the Training Need Identification tab to identify the training needs for that employee and save the form. Whatever training needs you identify during the PMS review get saved in the training plan or in the training calendar. In this way, once we have completed the PMS review for all the employees, we can go to the appraisal report. If you select the appraisal period and click on show, it gives you department-wise the name of the employees, the weightages set for behavioral and KRAs, and the respective marks what the employee has scored. To view the detailed report, you click on the icon which is on the right hand side. You also have a facility to export this report in Excel. So this is all about the performance management system. Thanks for watching.